And there you go, there you have it. I want to tell you a bit maybe about my life. While I was doing this, please wait for a moment and I'll show it how it's done.
First year mo na sa Figaro as a barista, what did it take to come to the finals ngayon sa Art of Coffee competition? Or how much dedication did it take to reach the finals today's Art of Coffee?
Actually, I mastered this signature beverage for almost 1 week only because it is a hectic schedule. I have a hectic schedule in our store. And also I am grateful for having this opportunity to be in here.
For sa pag-make ng coffee, like hardships or dedication na ginawa niyo para lang makapunta sa finals today?
Actually, hindi ako prepared talaga gawa ng nabisi ako nitong mga araw, pero pinilit ko para mag-represent yung aming sa franchise.
And I split the fresh rosemary and into the ice to pull down the cut of espresso.
Of prizes.
The people from the press and all of the ones who support Figaro. So this Art of Coffee has been going on for a couple of years now. Our goal really is to help elevate and help our baristas to showcase their talents and creativity to our Figaro community. Nagsimula to ng ilang barista? Yeah. Ilan sila nagsimula? 15. So 15 to 8 and then to the top champions. So the winner here will be representing Figaro in the local competitions. And I always encourage all of